What's up guys, this is a quick video on how to do a firmware update on the Sena 30K and how to reset it afterwards. So right guys, this is my new Sena 30K which I've bought, and I'm going to do a firmware update, and I thought I'd do a video just to show anybody else who's having any problems as well. So before we do the firmware update, I'm just going to show you how to check what firmware update you're running and if you do need one. So what you need to do is first of all is go to the App Store if you've got an iPhone, or go to Google Play if you've got an Android device, and what you want to do is download this app, and it's called Sena 30K Utilities. So after you've done that, what you need to do next is get your Sena 30K, turn that on by pressing the jog button and the button on the side, and that will turn it on. Next thing we need to do is put into pairing mode, Bluetooth pairing mode, and what we'll do is we'll hold this button down for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as soon as you see it flashing blue and red, you know it's in pairing mode. Next thing we're going to do is go to settings, go to Bluetooth. Here we'll wait until we can find the Sena 30K, which is here, and we're going to hit that. Now it's connected to that. We're going to come out of there, go to the app, accept the terms and conditions. So here we've got a message here saying we recommend that you update your headset to the latest firmware to take advantage of the latest technology built into the Sena hardware. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to hit this top left here, and if you can see there on the top, it tells you your current firmware version is 1.0.1 and the latest firmware version available is 2.1. so there is an update available. It's just a shame that we can't update on this app itself. That would save a lot of time and hassle. Like the GoPro cameras, you can just update it directly from your phone onto the camera. So it's something maybe what Sena should think about doing, just to save a lot of time and hassle. So what we need to do next is we need to come out of here. We need to turn the Sena headset off by pressing the jog button and the button on the side together, and that will turn it off. So right, we know that there's a firmware update available. So what we need to do is go to your desktop or laptop, open up your search bar, type in www.sena.com. So once you've opened the app up, what you want to do next is, there's all information about the app on here, but what we need to do is go to the top here, if you can see support, right there, just in case you can't see the mouse. Hit that, go down to the bottom here. Here you can register your product, check your warranties, contact them if you've got any issues or any problems. But what we need to do is go to software. So once we've gone to the software, it tells you here, download and install the Sena device manager onto your computer. Step 2, update the firmware of your Sena product with the Sena device manager. And step 3, pair. Reset your Sena product to the factory default settings, refer to the user guide, and pair your Sena product with your Bluetooth device again. So here it's giving you a choice of using Windows 32-bit or Windows 64-bit. So I'm going to hit Windows 64-bit, and that's going to download that. Now we can see it downloading right here. So we'll just wait for that. So we're going to hit the download button here. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We'll put yes. And then what we'll do here is Windows So welcome to Sena Bluetooth device manager. So we'll go to next here. We'll install it. So now it's installing it. We'll agree to the license. So it's downloading everything here now onto the computer only. So now here it's telling you to power off the product and connect the USB cable to it to download it. If you want to install Sena Bluetooth device without installing the driver, press cancel. So what we'll do here is next is connect the lead up to the Sena 30K. So I've already connected it to the laptop itself. I just need to connect it to the headset. So that's connected now. So here we'll go to, this is the device driver. So we'll go to next here. So now it's doing it. Would you like to install it? And we'll install that now. And here we'll go to finish. And we'll go to finish here as well. So once that's done, we'll come to here. Now you can see that it's been loaded up already onto our desktop right there, but it's already open. So what we need to do next is go to next, and here it's telling you again just to connect the lead up and what you need to do. So we'll go to next again. At the moment it's saying no device recognized. New firmware is now available. Would you like to download it from the server and update onto it? So the current version is 1.0.1, new version is 2.1. So we'll go to yes, and we'll go to save. So now that's saving it onto it and doing the firmware update. So now we just have to wait while it does the firmware update to version 2.1. So right, there you go guys, it's done the firmware update. If you can see in here on the top right corner, it says Sena 30K version 2.1. So right, that's done now. All we need to do now is go to next again. Here it's got all the settings for the 30K, what you can change if you want to change any of these settings. And once you get used to using them, you can change them. Actually, it's turned itself off, so we need to turn it back on first. Sorry about that. Like I said, this is the first time I'm doing it myself. So right, it's on now. So we'll put it into pairing mode by holding the button at the back for 5 seconds until it starts flashing blue and red. So there you go, it's flashing blue and red. So it's in pairing mode. Next we go back to our phone. So it's not coming up at the moment for some reason. So I'm just going to turn the Bluetooth off and turn the Bluetooth back on again. And there you go, you can see it there. It even says version 2.1. So I'm going to hit that now. And there you can see it's connected. So quickly we're just going to go to the app. And we're just going to check if it's up to date. So we're going to accept this again. Bluetooth pairing request pair. And that's connected up now. We're good to go and use it now. So if we go to the top left corner and hit that, and as you can see, current firmware version is 2.1. The latest firmware version is 2.1 as well, so we're all up to date. So now you can do whatever you want with it. So right guys, that's how you do your firmware update, and that's how you reset it as well. Right, before I go, I just want to quickly show you how to do a factory reset if you ever need to do one. I'm just going to turn this off. So that's off. So that's how we did a reset before, but if you wanted to actually do a proper factory reset, if you can see that little hole right there, just need to put a little pin in there and it'll do a proper factory reset. So it'll be like just the day you bought it when it come in the box. So right guys, that's everything I can show you, and I hope this helps somebody else out who's having problems doing the firmware update. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.